Okay, so as you can see here, I finally got the DV-200 back, and for some reason, channel 1 seems to be peaking out. Never done that to me before, so it is a different. It's the same setup I used with the amplifier, but I used different hardware this time, so I might have to recreate the plug I originally used since we threw it away after the tag sale. Anyway, so basically I have a Simplex True Alert, and I originally had it hooked up in the garage, then I moved the panel up here since it was easier, and since fire department doesn't have to manually reset it, it resets itself. So the only thing I have to reset is the Simplex 4100U info alarm. And anyway, so basically the panel, the wire, basically this is set off by the NAC circuit on the 4100U. So basically this wire goes from the 4100U all the way up to the 4th floor here, through the window, all the way above the screen, all the way down here, into the panel where it sets it off on the dry contact. And then we have the audio cable. But this is the funny thing. The audio starts at this panel, goes all the way down through this wire into the amplifier input, then to the output, all the way back into the panel to this breadboard at 70 volts VRM, 70.7 volts VRM, goes through this wire, out this cable again. This way, it's a two-way wire, all the way up, all the way down, all the way through the window, and out to the speaker in the garage. And unfortunately, something happened to the line, and this speaker sounds clearer. And actually, I'm starting to get actually clear audio from the DV-200, which was broken before. They actually refurbished the entire panel. They put a new motherboard on it, new display. They actually put a new keyhole on it too, but it's the same key, and I duplicated the keys. I duplicated all my keys 5 times, so I have like 50 keys now. So, and the chain is so heavy that when I was working at the aquarium today, it fell to the floor, so I have too many keys on there, so I'm going to have to get that fixed. And right now it's showing trouble code 4, code 53, meaning that channel 1 has peaked at its limit. And it will go back to normal, then it'll go into trouble for some reason. I don't know why. It could be the new setup I use, the new hardware I use. So I'm gonna go to Radio Shack tomorrow, drive to Radio Shack tomorrow, and go get what I need. So what I'm gonna do is play file code 1. So you went back to normal. So go back to trouble.
Attention! Attention! An emergency.
There it goes back to trouble.
All occupants go to the nearest exit and await instructions.
Now, as you see, oh, and I also got a new backup battery. And, as you can see, it goes into trouble for some reason. I don't know why it's peaking out. It could be that the old panel had a defect that actually made it work better than it was originally supposed to. And, it shouldn't peak out because this is line level, and this is how Wheelock told me to hook it up using the Radio Shack 40-watt amplifier. The exact same way. And for some reason it's peaking out, which it shouldn't. So, I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a cable that's supposed to hook up into a transformer that Radio Shack makes. It's a 2-prong plug. The 2-prong thing that you hook into the connector that goes to the transformer, the 2 pins, and it goes out to these wire leads. Then I had these wire leads hooked up to 1/4 audio, 1/8 audio jack, and then this goes to this Radio Shack cable that goes into the amplifier, and then goes out, and you know the whole story. But anyway, yeah, that's just a problem that I have, and I'm pretty sure I could rectify it very soon. And they also gave me new screws to keep the backboard on, so I don't plan to take that off ever. And it was also upgraded to have 3 Toshiba chips, Toshiba memory chips. I know memory is not the right term, but that's what Wheelock used, so. Yeah, so, that's my video of it being set off manually. Now I'm going to make a video of it being set off by the 4100U, which I had just did previously prior to this video, but the quality of the audio coming through to the speaker in the garage was crummy, so I'm gonna fix that. So, next video.